Hello guys, Ortigas Avenue here. Going to EDSA guys. Thank you for watching. Valle Verde 6 here. Yes guys, Valle Verde here. Just passing Medical City on the right side. This is part of Pasig. Alright guys, thank you all of you. Medical City guys, oh, Medical City. Medical City sa right side guys. Saka Meralco at saka Hero. Meralco guys. Wow, ganda ng Ortigas Center, oh. Ganda naman ng mga building sa Ortigas Center, Pasig. Thank you guys, thank you for watching. Thank you. Thank you, Meralco here. Meralco here in Ortigas Avenue.